Hey YouTubers, it's your boy Easy E at Easy E's Rebuilds. Well, these people are looking at me all funny over here. They want to be part of the channel. We got Skabell, aka Skittles.
What's up?
We got Erica, aka Stepdaughter. And you got me, like I said, I'm Easy E at Easy E's Rebuilds. Well, we're gonna try our best to show y'all some excellent content. Might be a little laughter, might be some fun, might be some crying. But let's see how this goes. I just want to build this channel and see how far I can take this channel. Doing what I like doing best. Doing rebuilds, remodels. My family tell me I'm just a jack of all trades. So if I'm doing anything, I'll post it on Instagram at Easy E Rebuilds. Facebook, Easy E Rebuilds before I post anything on YouTube. So please follow me, subscribe, hit that like button. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that notification button. And let's enjoy this family. Got anything to say, Skabell?
Nope. He's really good at what he does. Stop it! No!
Anything to say?
You're totally like this channel?
You're totally gonna like this channel? Stop! You're recording me? Oh my god!
Those two just silly. They just silly. But
was the camera too high? That'd be funny if we just recorded your eyebrows.
like I said, damn, made me forget what I was about to say. Damn. Mess with these people over here. They just made me forget what I was gonna say.
Baby, come get your pizza.
You done?
Yeah. You want to wait for me or are you gonna just eat?
I can wait.
Okay. Where the hell am I gonna put that? Oh, can you get the box for me, baby? This is gonna be hot.
So stay tuned and stay blessed.